Despite being prepared, this year's batch of university graduates could have a longer than usual wait. Details in this report. A decision on whether or not there would be the University of Guyana convocation soon is still up in the air. The university's annual convocation ceremony, traditionally held in November, has been postponed indefinitely. The academic board of the university met this morning.
There was hope by, I think, President Jagdeo, who called in Dr. Rose, appointed him Monday, and thought that he would have participated in the convocation going through because he has the power to stamp the approval on the profiles. But at the academic board meeting, he agreed with a suggestion from the floor that no convocation, no scrutiny of the profiles and stamping of approval of the profiles for the student to graduate unless the academics meet with the council.
Soon, UGWU representative. He said that a request has been made and the council has not replied. The union believes that the two issues are unrelated and that if the board has issues with the council, it should be worked out between the two bodies.
The union also believes that there's a conspiracy among a few academics, definitely not the whole academic community. One of the things Guyanese people have to understand, and who have children at university must understand, that when people speak about the academic board, it's more than 100 persons, but only 3 or 4 persons speak. And when they speak, and they say, the vice chancellor say, well, that is the decision, there's just silence, and it goes on.
The union and the student society are calling for a debate that would involve the council, the union, the student body, and the academic board to ascertain the state of affairs of the university. Meanwhile, the reappointment of Professor James Rose as Vice-Chancellor has not gone down well.
I do believe, and I think a great majority of people believe, what we are witnessing is the culture of dictatorship and domination in Guyana, which is tragic after all that we've been through. And the core of the issue, the heart of the issue, is the office of the president that wants to control the university and puts a vice-chancellor that goes through no evaluation, doesn't have the international qualifications as so many people that have applied for, but he wants to put that guy there so he can micromanage the guy as he micromanages hundreds of other people. The result is no vision, the destruction of the university, and the tremendous loss of talented people. We can still salvage this thing if President Jagdeo would sit down with some of us and let's explain to him what's going on there. For example, he appointed a vice-chancellor on Monday. The guy's refusing to go ahead with the convocation.
Students have complained that the delay in the holding of the ceremony would affect their move to overseas universities. Some students have also said that their relatives have traveled from overseas for this ceremony. For Prime News, Nazima Ragapur.